Hello, my beautiful people. You are warmly welcome back again. What do we have again in today's menu? We have bread toast. Yay! If you are a lover of bread with egg, join me as I introduce this wonderful recipe to you. And one thing I like about this is that it can serve as breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Yeah, so if you are a lover of bread, join me as I introduce to you bread toast. Welcome back to Kele Kitchen. If today is your first time, a warm welcome to you and to all my returning subscribers. Thank you for watching our video. Yes, here are the list of the ingredients we are going to use to achieve and make this delicious toast bread. Choose any veggies of your choice, any protein of your choice. You are good to go. So from this video, you can see the ones I have chosen. So join me as we go ahead. Yeah. So I have my eggs in a clean mixing plate. Add your eggs, and after the egg, you go ahead and add the salt. After the salt, you add the black pepper. Mix and set aside. Please, if today is your first time of stopping by, I would like you to subscribe to our channel. Hit on that notification button to notify you of our next video. Like our video, share our video, and tell us where you are watching our video from. It will encourage us to make more nice videos for you. Yes. So hit up your frying pan and add some butter to melt. Then after that, there are the breads you are going to be using. We'll be using two types, white bread and brown bread. Any bread you have in your house is good to go. So now we are going to add some cheese, add some ham. And here, feel free to add any veggies of your choice. They are all good to go. And today's shout out goes to the Rossi Place. Yay! And another shout out goes to Kingdom Kids TV B2Z. Thank you for watching our video. Hey, please tell us where you are watching our video from so that we can give you a shout out in our next video. Yeah. So as you can see here now, I have added the cheese, added the ham, and with another slice of bread, you cover it up and it's good to toast. You go ahead and dip it in the egg mix. After dipping it, you go ahead and then toast it in your frying pan. This is an easy recipe that all your family members will gonna like. This is the second bread. Repeat the same process, and then on a medium heat, toast your bread. Yeah. So go ahead and toast this bread between 1 to 2 minutes, and you will achieve your nice good looking toast bread. You flip it over and then toast the other side. Make sure you are toasting it on a medium-low heat to avoid it burning. Yeah. So by the time it is after 1 to 2 minutes, the bread is ready. So go ahead and put it in your serving dish, and it is ready. So I repeated the same process with my brown bread. Yeah. So with the brown bread, I added another set of cheese on top, added my ham. So go ahead and toast it in your frying pan and you are good to go. If you are still watching up to this moment, means that you like this video. I would like you to comment on this section, toast bread. Yay! Please, if you have not yet subscribed, don't forget to do it now. Hit on that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that you will be the first to receive our video whenever we upload a new one. Yeah. And do well to like this video, share this video, and comment on the comment section. Give us more encouragement to make more videos too. So after toasting your bread, this is what you will achieve. Yeah, you can see everything is looking golden brown. So now I cut the bread to see what the inside looks like. It was so good, it looks so good, and it tasted so good. Yeah, as you can see from the video, check out how it looks. So you go ahead, enjoy this toast bread with any drink of your choice. Here I'm drinking sweet hot chocolate. It can be cold drink, it can be warm, any drink of your choice is good to go. Yeah, also these bread toast can be served as a lunch in your workplace. Just prepare it and package it very well if you go to work, or for your children as lunch for school, because it is full with all options that you need. So go ahead, enjoy it. It tasted so good. Thank you for watching our video. Like video, share our video and comment, and I will see you in our next video. Thank you and bye bye.